We are here again with a healthy and quick recipe. It is called Matcha Bubble Tea.
Matcha, matcha, matcha.
Let's get over to the ingredients. The ingredients are 2 cups of water to boil the tapioca pearls with it, half a cup of tapioca pearls, 2 cups of coconut milk. You can use any type of milk if you want. 1/4 cup of water to boil the matcha, and 1 teaspoon of matcha tea and 2 tablespoons of honey.
You can get tapioca pearls or matcha tea from your local agent store or online.
We are going to pour the 2 cups of water into the pot and heat it on high heat. Looks like the water is boiling. Let's pour the tapioca pearls into the boiling water and then adjust it to low heat. Let's cook the tapioca pearls for 10 minutes. While the tapioca pearls are cooking, we are going to prepare the matcha tea. For the matcha tea, we're going to take 1/4 cup of water and pour it into a different cup so we can microwave it for 1 minute. I'm mixing 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with the hot water. I'm going to mix 1 teaspoon of honey with the matcha tea, and the rest will go with the tapioca pearls. We have removed the water from the tapioca pearls and threw it away, and now we're going to add the honey to the tapioca pearls. Mix the honey with the pearls and keep it aside so the tapioca pearls can absorb the honey.
Tapioca pearls and the matcha tea have cooled down. Let's assemble our drinks. First, you're going to put the tapioca pearls, then you're going to put the ice, then you're going to put the matcha tea, and then you're going to put the coconut milk, and then mix them together. If you think it's not sweet enough, you can add any sweetener of your choice. This tastes so good.
Yummy!
Delicious.
This is it for today. Stay tuned for more healthy recipes. Bye!
Bye.
I think it's not sweet now.
Let's boil the tapioca pearls.
I did
If you think it's not sweet enough, you can add any sweetener